everyone, this is just a simple chignon hairstyle. It takes no time to recreate this hairstyle. First, I just section the crown of the head and then use a little bit of texture powder to it just to hold the back combing that I'm going to do in a minute. All the product I use will be in the description below. First, I section a bit off the crown and then just back comb it. Just don't take the comb off of the back comb when you're doing it. Just take little section and just back comb it all the way to the top part of the hair. Like that. Then when you finish that, I just go and run all the way around the top of the head, just at the crown, halfway just over the ears. After we finish that, we just bring that all over and then sweep it with my teasing comb. Next, all I'm going to do is just brush it out smoothly and tie it into a ponytail with elastic band, nice and secure. When we finish that, all I do is just take my tail comb, put it through, and then just lift it up. You can lift it as high as you like, as big as you like. Then we're going to do is just spray it with some hairspray, just a strong hole. Pinch and pull it out a little bit more just to give it a bit more lift to it. I do it all the way around of the crown of the head. And all the product I've used will be in the description below for you. I've done it all the way around and a little bit out by the ponytail just to give that a little bit more lift to it too. And then it should be looking something like that. Then I split the ponytail into two, and all I've done is just cut a donut in half and then take a little bit, then put it on top of the ponytail and pin it nice and secure with some bobby pin. You use as much as you like. Then I spray some texture spray to the left side, comb it out a bit, and then bring it over onto the right section. All we're going to do is just tuck that under, twist the left section bit that we're gonna have at the end, and then twist that, tuck it nice and secure on top of the ponytail. Just twist it around like that. Then bring that on top of the ponytail and then just tuck that away. And we're going to use some more bobby pin, like twist it around, and then you just use the groovy side down so it's hold it a bit more secure. Then on the right section, spray a little bit more texture spray, comb that out, and then twist it all around on the left hand side, and then pinch and pull it down a bit, the two ponytail that we've got, and just bring that around, twist that around too, and then bring it over onto the right side. Tuck that away nice and secure. Just hide the donut, pin that away, then pin the twist away. Use as much bobby pin as you need. Then we smooth it all out a bit with my teasing comb. Spray some hairspray onto it and then curl the side with my GHD, spray that a little bit, and this is the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. Thank you for watching my video.